Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bold CNC Works. My name is Nugent. Today we are going to be engraving a tribute to all mothers out there. And without further ado, let's do it. Let's just delete this. So we're going to be using our 200 by 200, but as you know by now, it is actually 198 by 198 millimeters. Let's just unlock this to not take the aspect ratio into consideration. As you should know by now, I love to make a rectangle to show where my work is and what the boundaries are. Now also, with this, I use this rectangle. Let me just move this to line. I use this rectangle, I burn it onto my spoil board, and that way I know exactly where to line my piece up. It will be precise. So let's quickly import the piece that we are going to be doing with the Norton White Tile Method. I'm going to be using this one. Yes, these are all projects that are still coming together, and I will share them with you as soon as they are ready. Now, as you can see here, it is so beautiful. It is wording which describes mothers. So let's right click and trace all of them. Let's just go increase the threshold. There you go. And click OK. Just remove it. Let's delete this. Now let's just check that, yeah, it is locked. Now we can see the width is the most, so we're going to be making this 180. Probably should have said that was the trace function that I just did. And if not everything is selected or traced, you can just go and up the threshold on it. Now I want to put this on a different layer. Now for me, the best settings are 1500 by 80% power. Now if you don't know how to get your settings, just follow this link here and I will show you in that video how to get the perfect settings for whatever you are doing and whatever material you are using. So 1500 by 80 is for the Norton White Tile Method. I also have a video on how to do the Norton White Tile Method. It is right up here. So without further ado, I think we must go over to the laser and engrave this. Now if you have enjoyed the video thus far, please like and subscribe, and please click the bell icon so that you can be alerted to all of the new videos that I post. And also thank you to those who have subscribed. Let's jump over to the laser. See you. Bye-bye.